So I got my makeshift paint booth up. Fan's pulling all the air out. It's doing a really good job of keeping the air out. You see all the filters turn blue. So it is sucking the air through. That worked out pretty good. Keeping the overspray down instead of me painting the barn. Got all these pieces done. So now I got both doors done. I got both front fenders. I got the visor done. I got the hood done. Had to do a touch up on it. And I got to do the cab and the bed. Cab, once I get that done, I can put all these pieces together and get a lot of these big pieces out of the barn and give me some more space. So once I'm done with that, I can go to the bed. You really can't see it, but hold on, grab the light. That's my makeshift paint table. One thing I figured out, and I know the guys that paint a lot know this, I had a couple of spots that I needed to redust to blend it in. Do it while the paint's still wet. Like you see right there, I got to run. Yeah. Yep. That's a run. Oh well. Something else to fix. Door came out really nice. Yeah, some of these runs come on you after you shoot it and let it sit, and it starts. You want enough paint so it's right before the run, but you don't want that run. Problem with this pearl, when it runs, you actually see a streak. This one's good. So, I'll have to fix that. Yeah. Just a little too much paint right there. You can see it started there. And what it is, it's not really too bad. And you see the run right there. But what happens with the pearl all settles and you get a dark spot in the pearl. And you see that, so I'll have to fix that. So I'll fix that when I'll put it all together when I shoot the cab. I'll fix that. So I'll have to color sand it down, water sand it, reshoot it. What I had here was a light spot. See if it blends in when I sand it out and stuff, but I think it's going to blend good. That's it, not too bad, one run. Yeah. I think I did that when I was trying to blend it back in because there was a slight fix that Monday.